Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I say welcome. I promise you're going to have so much fun. So today I'll be showing you one of my quinoa recipes I make for my family. Yes, quinoa. Guys, my toddler really loves this recipe. Also because I added some pears and apples, which gives it that sweet, moist yet crunchy taste. So let's get right to it. Quinoa is really a superfood and it is a healthy breakfast option. It can be prepared using several methods and recipes. Make sure you start with about 2 cups of water if you are using 1 cup of quinoa, and just add water along, to for it to reach a consistency that you need. However, when quinoa is properly cooked, it has a translucent appearance, so it's quite easy to identify. And if you're giving it to a much younger child, you may want to cook it and make it a little bit more softer.